Echo Hotel Victor 187, no turn signal and crossing the center line within 100 feet of an intersection. Here comes their buddy. 180 X-ray November Echo. Also no turn signal and crossing the center line within 100 feet of an intersection. It's very weird how all these people's turn signals are broken. What could have caused such an epidemic of mechanical failure? Has a virus evolved to attack the circuits that control turn signals in modern motor vehicles? What a fine gentleman. November Bravo X-ray 479. Failure to use a signal to indicate a change in roadway position crossing the center line within 100 feet of an intersection. Another victim of the no turn signal viral epidemic.